Hey Josh, my name is Lee Terabianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can begin today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how you can grow your business, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take these tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on this video when you're done watching it. So let's jump right into it. Now, 3 major things I want to go over today is content, citations, and backlinks. So Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page. You got to think that Google is a bot and all it can do is read. So if you don't have enough content on your home page, it doesn't really know what you're offering or what your services are. Therefore, it can't rank you according to. And as you can see, you do have a little bit of content here, here, and here, maybe 100 words total, but that's not helping you in that aspect. So I just did a quick search for seal coating Central Florida, and as you can see, Florida seal coating is coming up in the first position down here. So I wanted to see what kind of content they have. So as we look over, they have a more well-constructed site with services and blog, little contact form. But as you can see, not really much content, not seeing too much content, pictures. So if you were to go out and get 1,500 words of keyword-rich optimized content, you would beat them out in that aspect. And we're going to get into your keywords here in a minute, so stay tuned. So I'm going to break down Google for you first. Up here is your Google ads. Now these companies are paying big money to be up here, and it's cost per click. It's really unnecessary to be spending all that money, because if you're ranking in this map pack section and in this organic section, you're going to be getting tons of business and don't need to fork out all that money for these ads. So let's talk about that. This middle section is called the Google Map Pack, or GMB, Google My Business. Now you have to create this listing separately. This has nothing to do with your actual website. So as you can see, Florida Seal Coating LLC is in first place. Now what gets you to rank, he's in first place and second place. So what gets you to rank in this section is citations. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. And Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook even has a spot. So I wanted to see how many citations they had. So I have this tool I use, it's called Whitespark CA, and it's a local citation finder. So I put their information in, and it's showing me they have 31 citations. Very beatable. So the best part about this tool is we can go in and see all their citation sources laid out just to be submitted for your business. See, submittable, submittable, all of these. Now these aren't created equal either. This domain authority shows how powerful they are. So 100 being the strongest, and then down to 0 being the weakest. So here's that. But I would like to go and add 80 to 100, really swamp these guys out, and then also to get your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you. So that was the Google Map Pack. Now this third section has to deal directly with your website. And to rank in this section, you need backlinks. A backlink is when one website links to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen them before on websites where there's little blue writing. You click on it, it takes you to a different website. Well, those are king for ranking. Google loves backlinks. And the more backlinks you have, the more trust flow you have to your website, so the more higher you'll rank. So like I said, they're not created equal. You want sites that are relevant to your niche linking to you rather than, say, Pizza Hut, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. You do seal coating and line striping. So you want businesses like construction businesses or asphalt businesses linking to you. That will transfer the most power. But I'm going to show you what kind of stats you have compared to your competitors. So I have another tool called Ahrefs, and this pulls up all your site stats. And as you can see, I put in laser straight coat, and then you are not ranking, not pulling any backlinks, and not ranking for any keywords at the moment because you have no content on your website. I don't know if it's new or not, but it definitely needs some help. So let's go look at your competitor. I put in Florida Seal Coating, and this shows me his overall stats, and he's got a UR and a DR of 25 and 0.2. Now this is the overall strength of his website, and this is the strength of his backlink profile. So as you can see, it's not very strong, but he is up above everybody at the moment. So that tells me he's easy to beat. So as you look, you can see his referring domains, that's websites. So he's getting 216 backlinks from 41 referring domains. Now these aren't created equal either. The only ones that transfer power are these do follow referring domains, and he has 13 of them. So the best part about this though is we can go into his referring domains, and they're all listed out just like the citations were to be submitted for your business. Now, and these aren't created equal either, remember? So we want to get the strong ones that are transferring the most power and grab them for your website. And then we can get a ton more, go up above him, generate a lot of power to your website, and then you're going to be top in this section, getting all the traffic. But another reason why I wanted to show you this is because I wanted to touch base on those keywords, and this is why you need the 1,500 words on your home page. As you can see, he's ranking for 118 keywords. So here's just some search volumes. Now this is going to show me the actual keyword that people are typing into Google each and every month, how many times a month it's being searched, and how hard it is to rank for it. So Seal Coat, Florida, that's 30 volume. That's 30 people looking for Seal Coat, Florida each and every month, and it's a 10. So that tells me there's not many people trying to rank for this keyword. 0 being the easiest to rank for, 100 being the hardest. Driveway sealing, Orlando, 40. That's 40 people looking for driveway sealing in Orlando. So all these keywords right here are crucial, and you put this exact phrase throughout your content, so when somebody types it in, Google recognizes it in your content, and boom, if you're powered by backlinks and you rank at the top, you're going to get the business. So let's see, commercial seal coating near me, 30 and 2. Asphalt driveway sealing contractors, 30. Parking lot, seal coating parking lot, 500 searches. That's 500 searches a month. Let's see, asphalt paving, Orlando, Florida, 30. That's 30 jobs that you're missing out on by not having this in your content. Asphalt paving, Orlando, Florida, 30. Asphalt paving, Orlando, FL, 30. Florida parking, Home Depot, Sanford, no. Orlando asphalt companies, 50 and 5. Seal coat. Anyways, we would dig through all these, and if you have 1,500 words, you could put 10 or 15 of these throughout your content, because Google likes to see one per every 100 to 150 words, so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing. But anyways, let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing was content. You need at least 1,500 words on your home page to fit all those special keywords that we talked about throughout it. So Google recognizes when someone types that in that you have it in your content a few times. Boom, you're going to see a drastic change in traffic. The second thing we talked about was citations, and that's what ranks you in this Google Map Pack section. I'd like to go get 100, maybe 200 for your guys' business, completely swamp these guys out, get you in this top 3, and you're going to see a drastic change in traffic from that. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at your website to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do it on your own. Totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Josh, and I hope you guys have a great day. And don't forget, any and all feedback is completely a great appreciation from me. Thanks.